privilege for me to be in front of you representing the 100 years alumni. And it was a fortunate event where I've been nominated as the president of this alumni. I sincerely thank to one and all. And as rightly mentioned by Koya Koteshwar Rao Garu, हमारा कॉलेज किसी से भी कम नहीं, कुछ से भी कम नहीं, आगे बढ़ता रहा, ऐसे ही बढ़ता रहेगा। इसको बढ़ाने के लिए अपना हर हाथ जोड़ के ऊपर वाले से दुआ करें और आगे बढ़ते रहें। इस उम्मीद को जारी रखते हुए और सभी के आशीर्वाद, आचार्य, टीचर्स की आशीर्वाद अपन साथ लेके अभी जो प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट्स एंड जनरेशन यहाँ मौजूद है आगे बढ़ाएंगे। इस प्लेज को साथ में लेके इस alumni year-long centenary celebrations will definitely need to celebrate with the same vigor what we our children and students of the City College has performed, exhibiting a folklore of our Telangana especially. Hats off to those students. I need a great applause for the performance of both classical and folklore. And thanks to one and all. And coming back to the Saracenic style of our constructed building by His Excellency Mir Usman Ali Khan Sahab, hails from Asaf Jai dynasty, a memorable college in the city. I think everybody knows why this college has been named after city, a great city in Deccan era. Even today, in the world, a known college by name City College is the only city college from our country in the world which has been recognized after the city. And as rightly mentioned by Mr. Rao Garu, Navaratnas, not Navaratnas, real Ratnas have come from this college. You have heard all the names from Professor Koteshwar Rao. It's really a memorable event, inaugural session of this today. And I sincerely, from this dais, I'll make a request to our Honorable Commissioner to give a extendable and merciful hand for the development of this college so that we'll be there till our end of our life associated with this college along with its alumni. For its development, I request all the alumni to be present when next meeting is being conducted only for alumni along with our beloved students. I request you, sir, to be present on that day also. And apart from this, coming back to the restoration of the building, yes, we need a support, both. Firstly, the style of the building should be restored. Many of the areas which have been damaged has to be restored. There is a specific architects available in our city. We can take their help. Even in our college also, we have one madam here who is representing an organization, NGO. She can help us. She's told us very clearly. Like that, we have Dr. Anuradha Naik, who is also developed, and under her guidance, we have developed our High Court after the disaster, 2009, with the help of one company called Repcon of Bombay, who are specialized in reconstruction of the old structures, heritage structures especially. In the recent past, that is way back in 2011, State Central Library also was reorganized, restructured with the help of the beloved government in those days. And apart from this, the college integrity, yes sir. हर तरीके की नवाबी, हर तरीके की रुबाब, and every style by the students have been maintained in this college. That means, I'll come back to the students very clearly. जब बेल बॉटम का पीरियड था तो बेल बॉटम पहने. Apart from them, jeans have come. Yes, the students have turned back to the jeans. Like that, the genes of this college are imbibed in every student, every product of this college, even till today, though they may have become reached to the heights of their goals. Apart from that, Another thing I would like to mention about me, I was the only student given an opportunity to join NCC Navy, Naval Wing in 1979 by the then principal, Professor Nateshan Garu. I've been selected to represent our state in Republic Day 1980-81, wherein we have been honored with All India first in rowing competition, that is boat rowing competition of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Coming back to the cultural events, I was also participated on this dais. I really hats off to the dais where I performed Naga dance on the first annual day. I was the first year student in 1978, wherein we have performed even the Maghdum Mainuddin Saab's ballet titled as Intezar. Doordarshan was somewhere in 1984, where it was in the first studio besides Raj Bhavan, our governor's place. There we have performed, broadcasted Intezar ballet prepared by our own team of City College students. That was a first ballet. मखदूम मोइनुद्दीन साहब भी यही कॉलेज के थे, स्टूडेंट्स भी यही कॉलेज के थे, परफॉर्मर्स भी यही कॉलेज के थे, इवन प्रोडक्शन यूनिट, कैमरामैन, everybody belongs to this college. That was hats off to those people. And another important item which is to be shared, which is from my heart, library and information resources. The resources, as rightly mentioned, it was the biggest resource for the students, even for the lecturers, even for the research scholars, wherein our chemistry and physics department, especially in this library, we have got enough material for researching. In those days, but I don't know for present stage, I think Mr. Ravi Kumar will grow it like anything. And even to make it as a good knowledge center, we need certain basic steps and technology usage, like Inflibnet, etc., for which we need support of the Honorable Commissioner, so that students can be utilized such knowledge center very well. And my special thanks on behalf of the alumni to the student who has created a logo which was unveiled today. The alumni is fortunate enough to have such a logo wherein centenary is being focused. Hats off to him. A great applause may be given to the student. Hope the lighting of the lamp will take away 100 years centenary, long year with good celebrations, and this celebration shall make memorable in our lifetime to be part of the centenary celebrations for this entire year. Thanks to one and all. Thanks for the opportunity.